Watch AI create an order and payment analytics dashboard from scratch. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our data file with order and payment information. The upload completes instantly. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. Bricks AI is analyzing our data, identifying key patterns in orders, payments, and delivery metrics. It's automatically generating the most relevant visualizations for business insights. The system creates charts showing delivery times versus order values, top-performing items by sales, monthly trends, payment status across regions, order distribution patterns, supplier performance metrics, and regional order analytics. It also builds summary tables for region overviews, delivery outliers, and overdue payments tracking. Our order and payment analytics dashboard is now complete with 8 interactive charts and 3 data tables. We can instantly customize the theme to match our brand. Now let's explore presentation mode for stakeholder meetings. This full-screen view removes all editing controls, creating a clean professional display perfect for executive presentations. Each widget is optimized for maximum visual impact and readability. We can navigate seamlessly between different charts and maintain focus on key insights. Back to edit mode, we can interact with filters, drill down into specific data points, and customize any element. Try Bricks today and transform your data workflow. Or